In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider on Wix. A slider can be a fantastic way to showcase images, videos, or other content in a sleek, interactive way on your website. Whether you're creating a portfolio, building an online store, or just want to add that extra touch of professionalism, sliders are an easy and effective tool to engage your visitors. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process of adding and customizing a slider on your Wix site so you can get the most out of this feature. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix homepage and enter your login credentials. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you're in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, where you can see all of your projects and sites in one place. Next, select the site you want to work on. Take a moment to locate the specific website you want to edit. If you're managing multiple sites, make sure you've picked the right one to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've selected your site, click on the Edit Site button. This will open the Wix website editor where all the magic happens. The editor is your central hub for making changes and customizing your site. Now that you're in the editor, look at the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. Locate the plus icon. This is where you'll find all the design elements and tools you can add to your website. Go ahead and click on the plus icon to open the Elements menu. Once the Elements menu is open, scroll through the list of categories until you find the one labeled Input. This category includes various interactive elements you can add to your site, like forms, buttons, and of course, sliders. Click on the Input category to expand it. Within the Input category, you'll see an option for Slider. This is the feature we're going to add to your website. Click on the Slider option, and Wix will show you a variety of pre-designed slider styles to choose from. Take a moment to browse through these options and pick the one that best fits your website's look and feel. Once you've found the style you like, select it. Now it's time to add the slider to your page. Drag the selected slider from the menu and drop it onto the area of your site where you want it to appear. This could be your home page, a gallery page, or anywhere else you think it will make an impact. You can reposition it later, so don't worry about it being perfect right away. Once the slider is on your page, you can adjust its size and placement. Click and drag the corners of the slider to resize it, and move it around the page until it's exactly where you want it. Take your time here to make sure it aligns with the rest of your design. With the slider in place, the next step is to configure its settings. Click on the slider to open its settings menu. Here you can customize features like the transition style speed and the content displayed within the slider. For example, you can upload images, add text, or adjust the timing between slides. Play around with these settings until the slider works exactly the way you want it to. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This is a crucial step to ensure all your hard work is preserved. Click the Save button, and if you're ready to publish the changes to your live site, you can hit Publish as well. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a slider on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.